Alright guys, so looking here, it didn't seem like my last video did too well, which, no big deal, I'm not upset about it or anything. Anyways, we've got a commission here from our good friend Brendan McGuire. Now he does Marvel Contest of Champion videos, so if you would like to watch some Marvel Contest of Champion content, check him out. He does really good guides, gameplays. His live streams are really fun, super interactive. He makes sure to engage with everybody. So today we're going to be doing the Primeape sculpture from Pokemon. Alright, so the audio just cut off on me out of nowhere, so we're getting started with the wireframe, and here we're wrapping aluminum foil around that wire to get a nice thick underside. And basically this helps you save a little bit of clay, so the whole thing isn't as heavy and you're not wasting as much money on that precious clay that you're going to end up using. And this is just a foundation layer of clay. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to cover the aluminum foil enough to get the job done. And it's at this point, some people like to throw it in the oven just to have a nice foundation, but I like to take it a little bit further. But it's all user preference. And basically all we're doing here is just a bunch of smoothing. A lot of smoothing. But after enough smoothing, you have a nice egg, and you're going to put a nose on that egg. And here we have the wonderful start of our Primeape sculpture. Now I'm just doing the rough shape of the eyes and adding details as I go, such as these eyebrow protrusions. And here we've got his little cat-looking ears, so we're going to attach those and then smooth them on. It's probably one of the most satisfying parts about doing these sculptures. Now I know Primeape has this angry forehead vein, so we're going to add that. And to give it the cartoony look later on, we're going to paint black lines around the outsides. Now I add a couple of black lines around the outsides of everything because this is a cartoon, and it gives it that authentic cartoony kind of look. And here we're just getting the rough shape of the spikes slash hair things that he's got going on. And so I made a bunch of those off cam, and now I'm just gonna attach them all. Alright, and here we're smoothing on some bacon bonds so we can apply the legs, and there we go. And of course we're going to attach them, give them a nice firm connection, because otherwise they'll break off really easily. So you want them to be really on there before you bake it. And Primeape's got weirdly skinny muscular arms and legs, so I made sure to add the muscle details to him while trying to keep his skinny look intact. I think I did a pretty good job of pulling that off. Here we're doing his little ninja feet. And he's also got these little shackle things. And since this is a commission, I want the arms to be detached from him, so that way I can have them removed when he's being shipped. Because I've been having problems with some of these breaking in the mail, so I'm doing what I can to mitigate any damage. Granted, it's clay, you can always glue it back together, but that's not the point. I want it to be perfect. So I'm not going to glue these arms in place for that reason. And just to cover up the arms not being attached to the body, you've got a couple of hairs in front of the arms, which is accurate to the character anyway. Alright, and here we've got the spray paint. And now we're just painting on the extra details.
this is where he really starts to come to life. And that's what I meant about the black lines. Like, do you see the black lines around the little ears? And here I'm painting it around the forehead vein. And the eyebrows there, you can see it as well. I'm just doing some last final touches. And Primeape is complete. I went the extra mile and painted the base as well. Alright, so we're gonna do a couple of action shots and I'll do my outro. Now, like I said at the beginning, my video cut off during the editing. Something got messed up, and that's the reason why it just cuts from me talking to boom, sculptures. So I'm gonna do my best to fix that in the future. I've also been trying to correct the audio, so I'm recording from a different device, seeing if that'll help. But the feedback you guys have given me is outstanding. It's something I can actually work with and apply.
Alright guys, so this has been my sculpture process of Primeape from Pokemon. Very excited with how he turned out, so we're going to get this shipped off today because it is a commission. And next up we've got Lucario, and I'm thinking after Lucario it's going to be Garchomp. Now both of those are Pokemon, so if you guys want to see more Pokemon related content, hit the sub button and you'll get informed. So I think that's it. Catch you guys next time. Peace.